Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the MEGHNA Bike Tire. A versatile 2026 by 3.0-inch foldable fat tire perfect for mountain bikes, snow bikes, electric bikes, and more. Engineered for stability and comfort, these fat tires are designed to handle a variety of terrains, from deserts and sandy beaches to muddy and dirt roads, ensuring you never have to compromise on your adventurous spirit. With a recommended inflation range of 15 to 35 psi, these tires are built to maintain effective contact with the road, thanks to their knobby pattern that enhances grip and driving safety, even on wet surfaces. The large ground area improves adhesion and wear resistance, while the specially designed arrowlined anti-slip tread ensures excellent drainage and grip, making rainy days just another thrilling ride. Constructed with high-quality steel wire, these tires promise durability and resilience, whether you're navigating city streets or rugged mountain paths. Perfect for a wide range of bikes, from tricycles to e-bikes, these tires adapt to meet your diverse needs, offering a reliable solution for both front and rear wheels. So, gear up and transform your biking experience with the MEGHNA Bike Tire, where every ride becomes an exciting journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.